भाई आलू के पराठे बन रहे हैं। तेरे कितने बनवाने हैं? भाई मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया है, आज से पराठे बंद, हेल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट चालू। तो क्या बनवाना है तेरा? चिया पुडिंग, सैलेड, ग्रीन टी के साथ। ठीक है भाई, पराठे आज कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छे थे। तेरा कैसा रहा?
हाँ सही था भाई, अच्छा था।
क्या हो गया? अभी तो खुश क्यों नहीं लग रहा? पेट तो भरा है ना तेरा?
ना ना, हाँ अब तो खाने की इच्छा ही खत्म हो गई है।
In this video, I'm going to share with you 7 healthy and tasty breakfast options that any one of us can make. While selecting the breakfast options, my priority has been least cooking time, bringing something new to your breakfast table, and of course, practicality. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Starting with number 7 on the list is instant masala idli. Looking for instant idli with a twist? Try this delicious instant masala idli. To make it, in a bowl we will add half a cup of suji rava, rock salt and little water. Mix well. Meanwhile, we will set the steamer. Now to instantly ferment it, we will add baking soda and make it react with a little lemon juice. Give it a good mix. Do you see these bubbles? Yes, that's the indication it's ready to be steamed. Immediately put it in a steamer and let it cook for about 15 minutes. While the idli is getting cooked, for the next step, we will chop the vegetables and put a pan on low flame. Once the pan heats up, for tempering, we will add mustard oil, mustard seeds, curry leaves and grated ginger. Add beans and grated carrot and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now we will add chopped onion, tomatoes, capsicum and give it a good mix. Then season it with rock salt, turmeric and black pepper. Add just a little water, mix and cover it for about 2 minutes. By this time check our idli would also be prepared. See how well they have turned out. Roughly cut them into pieces and put them in the pan. Properly mix them so that all the masala gets evenly coated. That's it. Turn off the gas and your instant masala idli is ready to delve into. Full of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals and dietary fiber, it's so tempting. And the taste? Well, the crunch from the vegetables and the smooth texture of idlis, it soon might become your go-to breakfast option. Try out. At number 6 is Sattu Parantha. This high protein, nutrient rich, authentic Indian parantha might become your next favorite. To make its dough, take whole wheat flour and add kalonji, carom seeds, rock salt and mix well. Add a little water to make a soft dough. Cover it with a wet cloth and let it set while we get to making the stuffing for it. In a mixing bowl, take chana sattu, kalonji, ajwain, chopped onions, grated ginger, green chili, rock salt, 2 teaspoons of mustard oil, lemon juice and coriander leaves. Now mix it well with your clean hands as it comes to this binding consistency. Getting back to the dough, we will knead it slightly before taking out a couple of balls for paranthas. Give the ball a shape of a bowl so that we can properly stuff it. Add the stuffing, seal it like this and flatten it a bit. Sprinkle flour over the rolling board to avoid sticking of dough. Roll out the parantha carefully so that it doesn't break. Now on the heated pan, place it to cook on one side. After some time, flip it to cook the other side and apply some mustard oil. Flip again to oil the other side. Once it gets properly cooked on both sides, serve it on a plate with curd. Rich in calcium, phosphorus, iron and loads of fiber and protein, it's so filling that having 2 paranthas, you might have to skip your lunch. Surely a treat to relish. At number 5 is Paneer Bhurji Sandwich. Breakfast options are incomplete without a bread sandwich, isn't it? Try this Paneer Bhurji Sandwich. To make it, in a pan add desi ghee. To this add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Now add chopped onion, green chili, ginger paste and saute well. Then goes in chopped tomatoes and mix well. Season it with turmeric, black pepper, coriander powder, garam masala and rock salt. Combine well. Now add fresh paneer. Cover and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. To amplify the taste, we will add kasuri methi and fresh coriander leaves. Stir well and your paneer bhurji is ready to be sandwiched. Choose a good quality whole wheat bread after reading its ingredients. Place the paneer bhurji inside it over a hot tawa. Add clarified butter, that is our very own desi ghee, and cook both sides of the sandwich and it's ready to hop on. You can serve it with tomato ketchup or coriander mint chutney, packed with macro and micronutrients, and the taste, wow, it's so good. If you don't find whole wheat bread, fill this paneer bhurji on Indian flat bread, that is roti, and enjoy as a paneer bhurji kathi roll. You won't regret even a bit. Well balanced with flavors, health and practicality, this surely is a great start to the day. At number 4 is red rice poha. Poha is one of the most loved breakfast options in India, and when you make it with the most nutritious rice variety, the red rice, it not just tastes heavenly but also adds an extra health quotient. So let's make it. First, wash the poha 1 to 2 times, quickly draining off the water. Now add a pinch of salt and lemon juice to it. Let it sit while we put a pan on low flame. Once it heats up, add cold pressed mustard oil, a pinch of hing, mustard seeds, cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add curry leaves. Slightly mix. Now temper it with chopped onions, chopped green chilies, rock salt, turmeric, black pepper and coriander powder. At this point, add roasted peanuts for that crunch and healthy fats. Add a boiled potato. You can even add your favorite vegetables. Now is the time to add the red rice poha. Add just a little desi khand for extra flavor, coriander leaves and lemon juice. Now to mix the poha, gently lift and drop so that it doesn't get mushy. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame and your red rice poha is ready to be served. Rich in vitamin B6, zinc, iron and dietary fiber, this filling and tempting red rice poha is definitely worth a try. At number 3 is banana oat smoothie. For those busy mornings when you can't spare time to cook breakfast, this nutritious, luscious and filling milkshake comes to the rescue. First of all, soak half cup of rolled oats and cashews in water for some time to drain off their phytic acid content. Now in a blending jar, add those soaked oats, soaked cashews, 2 ripe bananas, a little cinnamon powder, and to take its taste to the next level, try adding roasted chicory powder. Blend it, wow, it's ready. Well balanced with complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, proteins and micronutrients, now you need not go out for work on an empty stomach. Give it a try. At number 2 is instant millet dosa. Looking for a break from the regular dosa? Try this easy fat loss special multi-nutrient foxtail millet dosa. A night before, in a mixing bowl, add about half cup of foxtail millet, 2 teaspoons of black urad dal, 2 teaspoons of chana dal, 2 teaspoons of green moong dal and half a teaspoon of methi seeds. Wash and then soak them overnight. The next morning, simply transfer the mixture into a blending jar, add cumin seeds, rock salt, turmeric, black pepper, curry leaves, hing, ginger and using the same water blend the mixture to bring about this kind of a consistency. Now let it set while we cut some vegetables. Now dosas are made the best on a cast iron tawa. Place it on the flame. Now to the batter, add baking soda and lemon juice for instant fermentation. While the dosa pan heats up, sprinkle some water and wipe it out. Now put just a little ghee and spread it all over using a kitchen towel. Now take a ladle full of batter and spread it over the pan like this. Add chopped onions and carrots. Smear a little ghee and gently press it. Cover and let it cook for about a minute. The dosa should turn a bit brown all over. At this point, the dosa will easily come off. Wow, how crispy it has turned out. Have it with peanut chutney. Well, in a blender, put some already roasted peanuts, green chili, ginger, coriander leaves, hing, black salt, bhuna jeera and water. Blend and it's ready. The richness of mixed lentils and the goodness of millet along with this heart-friendly chutney, it is a complete breakfast meal. Try it out. Finally, at number 1 is moong sprout chaat. If you are looking for a protein-rich, power-packed and filling breakfast option, this is it. Worried about the taste? Well, this might change your mind. First, to make the sprouts, we will soak moong dal in water for 5 to 6 hours. Moong will swell up. Do you see? It has started sprouting already. It can be consumed at this moment, but to enhance its food value, we will tie it in a muslin cloth and keep it in a dark, warm place. 10 to 12 hours and such well sprouted moong beans are ready. To make its tasty chaat, in a bowl add moong dal sprouts, chopped onions, tomatoes, rock salt, black pepper, a generous amount of grated ginger, lemon juice, coriander leaves, bhuna jeera and just a little cold pressed sesame oil. Give it a good mix and dig in. Rich in protein, vitamin B12, antioxidants and countless other vital nutrients, this surely is a super breakfast. And it's filling too. If you eat it just once a week, you can say goodbye to those so-called health supplements. It's that capable. Do try. So friends, these were 7 quick and tasty breakfast options which I think you should try. Which one of these impressed you the most? I am curious. Even though all the ingredients are readily available in our kitchens, still for your convenience, I have linked them in the description box. If you found this video helpful and would like to see 7 lunchbox ideas, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Just as a nutritious breakfast is essential for proper body nourishment, so is a chemical-free hair oil for well-nourished hair. Check out a special Ayurvedic oil for your hair, the True Hair Oil. What makes it special? Well, that's because True Hair comes with a true heater. Of course, we all know that if we apply warm oil on the scalp, it works much better. Although we often feel lazy to warm it. And if it gets too hot, then it's again a problem. Its solution is True Hair Oil that comes with True Heater. It heats the oil until 65 degrees and then automatically turns off. It takes about 4 minutes and you get a clear signal as the light flashes off. This is an intelligent product using which you can get the benefit of 13 Ayurvedic herbs without any hassle. And it's pocket friendly as well. It comes in 2 other variants. All are 100% natural and 0% LLP. To buy it, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon to get 25% off on your order. So friends, that's all for this video. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.